Hello guys. Today I'm gonna show you super quick this perfect and super cool folio. It's not my project. I will leave you a link down below for the tutorial for this one, for this cutie. The best thing about this one is I used my 6x6 paper from Recollection from Michael's. I always struggling with using this paper because there is not much elements that you can cut and use as a decoration. So I can't use it for like albums because I like more to put more stuff in it, but for the folio when everything should be like really flat, it's okay. In this collection there was one 6x6 paper with all the small element. It was something like advent calendar, so I cut all the element that I could from there and use it like all around the album, and it fits perfectly. Like it was, I believe, 24 pages there, and I used them all. It's super cool. So the measurement of this one, I don't have my normal ruler, I don't know where it is, so it's like 16 by 16 and 1.5 centimeters. So here I used the paper with this cool button with the sweaters and cups, super cozy and nice. And in the middle it was like empty space here, so I used the small decoration pieces and saying. And from the other side it's like plaid. I used pieces that it was like leftovers. I was out of paper, so it has like these hinges and it opens like this. Uh, from the both side, they're the same. They're the same from the both side, and I use the same paper because when you look like on the both sides at the same time, you want to see like the nice picture. So I use the same paper here, and it's a pockets, and you can put like everything here, whatever you want. I use like 3 different sizes from the both side. This one will fit photo 9 by 13. I have the smaller one, it's not 9 by 13, so it will fit like it's not a standard photo, it's not 4 by 6, but it's pretty big photo, so you can put it from the both side. And the smaller, I make a little frame from my leftovers, so you can fit a smaller photo and it will be nice frame here. From other side there is no frame, it will be like this, still really cute. And I put there was like these tags in collection, so I use them maybe for some notes, and you can write from the other side, or you can put more photos here. And the same for the other side, so the bigger photo, the smaller photo, and the space for notes. And it fits perfectly here. The funny thing about this one, when you open it like this, there is a bigger space for photo, so you can put like 10 by 15, so 4 by 6 inches here, or you can put smaller photo, whatever you want. And this one is still like this, and we have even more space for photo from both sides. And the same you can do with this one. I double matted it only here because I was worried about bulk, so I put it only from this side, and you will put your photo here. So yeah, so let's go and look for it. Again, it's like they're the same from both sides, but the pattern paper is different, so I will show you both. So here you can put again 10 by 15 photos, so 4 by 6. And it opens like this, and everything is magnetized. So we have here like 2 pockets, and again, see, I use this sweater, I die cut it, and something. And actually I like this paper. I'm not a big fan of these colors. Like, I know it's traditional Christmas colors, but I'm usually like more something like bluish and something like this. But this one I don't know, I just like it. The pattern is really nice, and the pictures with all this like sweaters and snowmen, they're really cute. These cups, I don't know, I just like it, so that's why I bought it. And then it was like a problem how to use it, but we're good now. So again, the small space for photo, it's a book. Yeah, it's a book. So you can put even like more photos. It fits four. And in this pocket we have a bigger space for photo. It's again, it's a book, and you can fit 9 by 13 centimeters here. Okay, then we have a nice picture with a snowman. It was like cards, I believe, in this collection, and maybe I just got it from the paper. It doesn't matter, and it sings burr. And I did a frame, and it's open from the top, I believe, so you can put your photo here. You can cut it as a square, and it will be like super cool. I adore these frames. They're always looking really nice with the photos. And the bigger space for photo again, and two spaces for a photo. And this one opened, of course, so you can even like take it like this. And we close it and close this part. And from the other side, it's totally the same. So place for photo, we open it. It's two pockets. I don't know why this one is empty. I need to put something here. I probably was out of this paper of this color. So, but you can even put like more photos like this. Again, a nice picture with a house and snowman. And it opens like this. Again, the frame, you can put your photo here, photo here. We'll open this one. I was out of paper here, so I use a strip because this one was too short. And this one is not opened, I believe. No, it's open. So you can put bigger photo, 6 by 4 will fit here. And it closes like this. And again, this one opens like this. We have like super cute snowballs with a snowman. And this one open as well. So you can put bigger photo here. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. Yeah. Super cute, super adorable, and super easy to put together. I highly recommend you to go to the link that I will leave you, and did this one like for your winter photos, for your Christmas photos, maybe for your playing in the snow photo. And enjoy. Have a good one. Bye.